Hello, what's up guys? In this video I want to show you guys how to recover your deleted post on Facebook. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is to open up my Facebook application, and then I'm going to tap on menu and then get to my profile. Okay, so from here you can see that I've made some posts. Okay, the next thing I want to be doing is to click on the post and then click on move to recycle bin. All right, so I'll just you know do that. Okay, so as you guys can see, if I'm to refresh, there's no, I've deleted the post you guys just saw. So if you want to recover your post that you just deleted on Facebook, what you're gonna do is to click on this three dot icon on your profile, click on it and then tap on activity log. Okay, so now you want to tap on manage your post, and then here you're gonna see the post that you recently deleted. Okay, so what you're gonna do is to click on recycle bin. Okay, from here you're gonna see the post that you deleted. Okay, so you can click on this three dot icon to you know click on restore to profile. That is, if you want to be doing it one after the other, but if you want to recover everything at once, you can just mark it and then click on restore, and then you click on restore. It will automatically get back to your profile. So let's go back to menu and then let me tap on my profile, refresh my account, and then let's scroll down. So as you guys can see that we have just recovered the post I made on Facebook. So if this video was useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more important tips like this. Okay guys, peace out.